In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close a Namecheap account the right way, step by step, without missing anything important. This is one of those tasks that sounds simple, but there are a few things you must do first before Namecheap will actually close the account. The biggest thing to remember is that your account cannot be closed if you still have active services connected to it. So if you want to avoid delays, make sure you follow the process carefully from start to finish. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more clear, practical software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, take a moment to review everything attached to the account. Namecheap says you cannot close an account while it still has active services, so this part is really important. Check for anything that may still be active, such as domain registrations, hosting plans, SSL certificates, private email subscriptions, or any other paid service connected to the account. If even one service is still active, the account closure request may not go through. If you have domains in the account, you'll need to either transfer them to another registrar or let them expire if that works for your situation. If you have hosting, make sure you back up your website files, your databases, and any email data before you cancel anything. This is especially important if your site is live or if you still need access to old files later. You don't want to close the account and realize afterward that you forgot to save something important. Once all active services are handled, double-check that nothing is left behind. Cancel or remove any remaining subscriptions and make sure the account is truly ready for closure. This step matters because Namecheap Support will expect the account to be inactive before they can process your request. Now, before you contact support, write down your Namecheap username and your support PIN. These details are important because Namecheap will likely use them to verify your identity and confirm that you're authorized to request the closure. If you don't already know your support PIN, find it inside your account details before moving on. After that, open your email and compose a new message to domainsupport@namecheap.com. In the subject line, clearly mention that you want to close your Namecheap account. In the body of the email, include your Namecheap username, your support PIN, and a short reason for closing the account. You don't need to write a long explanation, but be clear and direct so the support team has everything they need. For example, you can say that you no longer need the account, you've moved your services elsewhere, or you're consolidating accounts. Once your email is ready, send it to Namecheap Support and wait for their response. After that, Namecheap Support will process the closure request. Depending on their internal process and whether your account meets all requirements, it may take some time for them to complete the request. If they need additional information, be ready to reply promptly so there are no delays. And that's it. Once Namecheap confirms the request and processes the closure, your account should be closed successfully. The key things to remember are: remove or transfer all active services first, back up anything important, include your username and support PIN, and then email support to request closure. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.